Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. So now let's take a look at the gold market. On the gold market, finally we have some clarification. Even yesterday we said that this price action looks a bit suspicious since market has formed the bullish patterns but hasn't followed them and turns to some sideways consolidation. No, in fact, the response has happened to the bullish patterns that have appeared here inside of this bearish flag. And since market has formed the stop grabbers, it should start to move according with them. But that hasn't happened. And instead of that, market had formed with the 2 days just flat action. And we said that probably this action is not quite logical. When we yesterday have seen that on the intraday charts, market has failed to continue with the minor stop grabbers on the 4-hour time frame, it becomes really worrying situation for the bulls. And we said that probably currently the better sign to not take any long position. Yesterday we have seen this significant plunge down, so now we have the bearish trend on the daily time frame. In fact, we now stand with the continuation to the downside. The nearest target to the downside, I suppose, will be this minor target of this pattern, A, B, C tab. 618 minor extensions around 1330 area. Also, if you will calculate the target of the flag, so it usually equals to the mast, and you count this, the mast of this flag, count it to the downside, it will give you some area that close to this area. Well, what we could do currently on the gold market, obviously that this is the bearish action and we probably should search the possibility to enter short. On the 4-hour time frame, situation is very tricky, and that is the way how gold market likes to develop, this action that it likes to show. First of all, we see that market probably has hit this 618 extension for that smaller pattern. But take a look, in fact, what we have. First of all, the target of the butterfly stands slightly lower. It's around 127, stands around 1355, 1357 area. Also, if we will calculate this extension not from that swing low, but from the major swing high, but from the major swing high, we see that 618 extension also hasn't been quite hit by the market. Market showed some small bumps to the upside. Well, on the hourly time frame, we see other reasons to suggest that probably market could first show downward action before any significant retracement will start. We have this pattern, A, B, C tab. We see how market responds on that. 618 extension hitting minor retracement, 100% is pullback. That's, by the way, the level that we have discussed yesterday. We said that to speak about entering short, we need to wait when the market will break through this area probably. That has happened. And now let's take a look. 1618 extension stands right here. It's also around 1360, 1357 area. That also hasn't been hit yet by the market. That's why, since some targets, significant target stands slightly below the market, and market very rare abandons such targets. At least it rare shows the retracement before hitting this target. Probably I suspect that this probably should happen. That market initially will take out of these lows, hit this target around 1355, 1360, and only after that some reasonable retracement will start. That is the trap for those who are trying to enter long right here. It is possible, although I do not think that this will be really high probability of that, but still this is really possible that market could show some kind of the ABCD retracement to the upside. In this case, it will retest this area. That is also possible. But personally, I still gravitate to the development as I draw. This market probably will show some sort of a butterfly first, hit 3060, 3057 area, and only after that will show some probably bounce to the upside. Anyway, the level to watch for that I like to see is an area around 1380, 1384 area, because that is the confluence resistance on the 4-hour time frame. Well, and as we know, the market likes to show 618 retracements. That will be the 618 retracement from the most recent swing high. That will probably let us to take the short position with the daily targets around 1330 area. That will be the minor target. Also, if you carefully will take a look at the daily time frame, you will see that here we could get another butterfly. That could be that pattern, left wing, right wing. Here, by the way, even smaller pattern also could be found. This pattern, left wing, that could start developing the right wing to the downside. That is also possible. So that is really very intriguing and tricky situation on the gold market. That could lead to the significant moves to the downside to our major target around 1250, somewhere in that area. That will be the major 3/8 support on the gold market, all-time 3/8 support. That will be a really significant area, but it's a bit extended discussion. Well, now let's be focused on the action that we could get during today's trading session, particularly on this development, and be careful with taking long position if you would like to make some profit on this upward retracement, because some significant targets stand now below the swing low, and market very rare left them behind and start some retracement to the upside. Usually it tends to hit it first and only after that turn to some reasonable retracement. If this will be the case, you could look for that area for the scalp buy opportunity if you're a scalp trader with some reasonable retracement of that swing. This probably could be 50-60% retracement, since gold market likes to show these levels. If you're a positional trader, wait when this mess will finish and market will start retracement up, and then watch for some level to enter short. I think that will be somewhere around 1375, 1380 area.